video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a little digital point and shoot camera. So it's a 4K Ultra HD. It can go up to 128 gig of storage on it. It's a 48 megapixel for pictures, and it's a pretty nice little camera for the price. And obviously it can't compete with, you know, the super high-end cameras, but you know what, you get what you pay for with these things. And just right here, it has a lot of instructions to it, but you know what, it's a camera. I've already had it out and I used it. I'm just going to show y'all unpacking it here. Here's the actual body, camera body itself. It comes with a strap. It comes with a USB-C cable, which I have a ton of those. It comes with a little micro SD that looks to be a 32 gig micro SD. The SD will go inside of here. I already put the battery in there. You get 2 of these batteries, and the batteries are 800 milliamp batteries. And to charge it, you basically just charge it into any type of USB-C. It has a flash on it. And let me go ahead and turn it on here. You hold down the button to turn it on, the welcome screen. So to zoom in, that's to zoom in, that's to zoom out. So just taking a picture of the instructions. Let me show you taking some pictures here with it. So you want to hold down on it, and then it has an auto zoom on it. And then if you want to look at your pictures, you can go back. 48 megapixel pictures, that's pretty good. All right, I just showed y'all taking pictures with it there. I took a few little pictures around the garden and all that. Let me show you how to put it in video mode. What you want to do to go in video mode, you want to hold down the M button, which is the mode button, and then you can go see how it says photo, video, slow-mo, loop recording, time lapse, continuous pick, interval picture. You go to video mode, which is that one. Now it's in video mode, and I'm going to go ahead and start recording now. As soon as you mash the button, it's just a quick button mash, and you can kind of see the recording. I'm going to show y'all recording some stuff. I'll have it up in the left-hand corner, kind of going over the videos with you. And I'll switch over to the camera. Here it is, and let me just kind of like walk around the yard a little bit. You can see around the yard. So that's the 4K recording. So yeah, it has a 4K recording on it also. Yeah, it's not like a super high-end professional recording, but you know what? It's a great point and shoot, and a good amateur kind of like that can get the job done, that's for sure. So this would be great for anyone that just wants to have a spare camera around just to take kind of pictures and have more like a digital camera instead of using your cell phone or something like that. This would be easy to throw down in a bag and then have it for that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the point and shoot digital camera. See you guys in the next video. Woo!